Okay class, we are going to library.
Caillou, they don't have the books I like. I want the books I like. Go on the computer, then you can find it. Okay. I am going to install a virus on here. Ha 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 ha. Let's go to the You Are an Idiot website. Now I gotta press this, and it will happen. Yes! 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 I did it. Classic Caillou, what are you doing? Did you install a virus? No, I'm just on bookfinder.com. Then why am I hearing You Are an Idiot so many times? Damn it, I can't come up with an excuse. Ah! Ha! So you were lying. I'm telling Miss Martin. Miss Martin, Classic Caillou installed malware on one of the library computers.
Oh, my freaking God. Thanks for telling me that. I am gonna get him suspended for 5,000 months. Classic Caillou, get your butt over here. ClassicCaillou. How freaking dare you install a computer virus? Thoughts IT, you are suspended for 5,000 months. Get your butt out of here.
Wah.
Hey Classic Caillou, why are you home so early?
Well, you're not gonna like this, but I installed a computer virus on the library computer.
Punishment day.
Wah.
Shut up! First punishment, eating Coke and Mentos.
Dad, I don't want to eat this.
Shut up, or I'm shoving it down your damn throat.
Okay, fine. Wow. IT hurts so much. Ah.
I don't care. Second punishment, going in the oven. Get in there. Third punishment, getting nuked. Here it comes. Final punishment, grounded for 6 4 3 6 7 years.